Welcome to Amalicious Cooking. Today I will be cooking vegetable curry. This is a Jamaican version of vegetable curry. Well, stay tuned. Now these are my ingredients that I'm about to use. This is black pepper, about a quarter teaspoon. Dried thyme, it's about the same, and some pimento seeds, that's a few. On this one I have got curry, that's curry powder, about 1 tablespoon, all-purpose flavor enhancer. We've got garlic granule and turmeric. This one is ginger, powdered ginger. Here I've also, in a plate, pre-cook chickpeas. So this was in a tin. I have just drained the water off and I'm going to use this one. 2 cloves of garlic, a few pieces of scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, spring onion, and I've got some fresh thyme. Here I've also got about a half of bell pepper. We call it sweet pepper, red and green. We've got some onions here, and this is about a half of an onion chopped up. 2 small potatoes. These are fresh cauliflower with broccoli, so these are also going to be used. I'm also using frozen veg. These ones are carrot, green beans, and peas with some sweet corn. So to this pot I've added some coconut oil. So I'm adding all the onion. I'm now adding spring onion, tomato, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. So these are going to be sauteed. So these are sauteing for about 5 minutes. We're gonna let it, get in a bit. The onion gets a bit translucent. Pimento seeds, black pepper, and all the rest of the ingredients that I've shown before. Now I am going to add my frozen veg. So I've added the potatoes, chickpeas, and also the frozen veg. So everything is now added to the pot. I'm just going to add some water and let it look. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, just remember to share it, like it, subscribe to the channel, so you can get more meal ideas. And let me know if you see this on a menu in a restaurant, would you order it? Let me know down in the comment section. I will leave a description of all my ingredients that I've used. So yes, if you've missed anything. So thank you again. Blessings to all. Big up on yourself. Have a fantastic day, evening, night, whichever part of the world you are. Thank you.